is what are the factors responsible for the formation of cyclone? सुपर सुपर फास्ट ट्रेन को भी क्रॉस करके बुलेट बन रहे राजधानी तो पकड़ो। हाँ, क्या है? लार्ज सप्लाई ऑफ वार्म वाटर, yes, presence of group of island, and in this stage there is a formation of, I said that, weak tropical disturbance, upper air divergence, it will lead to the formation of disturbance, and then presence of ITCJ created depression, then further northeast southeast trade wind within the ITC through the Corliss force help in the formation of what? Cyclonic effect, eye formation, thereafter along the eye wall. Understood? And you have seen, and thereafter there is an, I say, weak easterly waves which is dragging it. A part of easterly waves, yes, tell me, what are the other factors I said that? Which is making the path of this cyclone, where there is a pressure gradient available, that direction it takes. Thereafter we have seen about, yes, what? Weak shear force, and understand that it is very highly required shear force. If the shear force will be there, high, then the upper structure of the cyclone will finish. Understood? Thereafter we have seen another, I say, tell me, yes, atmospheric instability. So these are the factors that we have seen. And then what is the structure of the cyclone? Eye wall. What is the diameter of the eye? 15 to 50 kilometer. 15 to 50. And what is the thickness of the eye wall? 50 to 150 kilometer. Very wide. And इसमें कौन सा cloud बनता है? Eye wall. Cumulonimbus cloud, and then wind is circulating with a very high speed. So eye wall. Cumulonimbus cloud, and there is a torrential rainfall. Understood? And then thereafter I said, inner is spiral rain bands. Which are the two spiral rain bands? Inner and then outer spiral rain band. So whose thickness is, what is the thickness of inner spiral rain band? It is thicker than eye wall. Understood? And outer spiral rain band is thicker than inner spiral rain band. And inner spiral rain band will have cumulus and nimbostratus and altostratus kind of cloud, and that will help in the giving the lots of rainfall. And thereafter I talked about annular zone. And annular zone is the region where that I said that wind used to descend. Understood? And here the cyclone structure completely completes. After that there is a convective. After descending, some of the air started, most of the air started going toward the eye, but some of the air is moving away from the eye, and that creates convective cloud. If it is moving away, that will create convective cloud. Understood? And I said that these are the factors, and now the stages for the formation of the cyclone. ये भी आपका cover हो चुका है. Only you should have a streamline understanding should be there. So आप लोग अपने pages को open करेंगे जो notes होगा. I said stages for the formation of cyclone. Which cyclone? Tropical cyclone. Stages for the formation of tropical cyclone. अब मैं समझाते चलता हूँ. First stage is what I said, that cyclogenesis means formation of eye. when the cyclone कब होता है देखा था ना आपने बताया था there is an what happened depression form ITCZ and thereafter what happened started forming a circle started becoming wider and become eye of the cyclone and then wind started circulating and moving upward it is considered as a formation of eye. अभी मैं इसको explain करूँगा. The second stage is said that formation of eye wall. First stage is formation of eye. Second stage is formation of eye wall. Third stage is formation of spiral rain band. And then fourth stage is what? Very easy. Formation of annular zone. Thereafter death of cyclone. Cyclolysis. Understood? And we have done all this. Just and मैं एक स्टेज बोलता जाऊँगा. Then you keep on studying it. And if you have a problem, you can ask me. So first I say that listen me carefully. First it is a formation of eye. So मैं directly when at the center of the low pressure, when the depression, first weak tropical disturbance, then tropical disturbance, and then yes, depression in the presence of ITCZ created, the northeast trade wind and the southeast trade wind started moving with a very fast force along with a large amount of what is in a water vapor, and they keep on coming towards the what is in a low pressure center and contributing more water vapor. This water vapor create more low pressure. So depression started converting into what is in a highly intensified depression से ऊपर cyclonic का structure होता है. Depression started what is in a highly intensified क्योंकि मैं जो weak tropical disturbance तो बोल दिया मैंने. Weak tropical disturbance converted into tropical disturbance converted into depression in the presence of ITCZ. And then northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind, another storm started moving faster with lots of moisture, contributing more moisture and latent rate of condensation able to provide lots of low pressures and heat. Because of this low pressure started intensified, and then coming wind started and the high cold force started deflecting towards right and not in the northern hemisphere and not able to reach to the center. And the large area where the winds are not able to reach the center, that becomes eye, and around समझ में आ गया formation of eye, and around, and its diameter can be 15 to 50 kilometer, and around eye the fast circulating wind which are moving toward the eye, they started circulating around eye, and then we started with moving with the speed of 60, 80, 90, 100, 150 kilometer per hour on the basis of the low pressure. And if the low pressure becoming more, the structure of eye is increasing, and around the eye wall that the fast moving wind are circulating and upward moving. So circulating and upward moving and forming in a cumulonimbus cloud. And this cumulonimbus cloud gives, I said that, gives what is in a heavy and torrential rainfall. Understood? And in the eye wall, if the speed reaches up to 210 km per hour or more, it is known as, I said that, super cyclone. If the speed, and even for only 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, and if the speed in the eye wall of the wind which is circulating anti-clockwise fashion in the northern hemisphere reached beyond 230 km per hour, even for 1 to 3 minutes, it is known as super typhoon. तो आप लोग formation of eye and formation of eye wall, and eye wall thickness is 50 to 150 km. Read that. जो लिखा हुआ पढ़ें आप. फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज. eye is completely calm and warm. And along the white touching to the eye wall, some of the wind used to, if it is high pressure, थोड़ा सा कभी कभी some of the wind used to also, this is the main angular zone where the wind used to what? Descend. But the some of the what is touching to the eye, touching to the what is an eye wall, that some of the wind used to descend, and some here and there जहाँ पे भी कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो गया, they started descending. But major it is descending on the annular zone. Some of the air here is to descend, but the major it is descending. The major descendance is this side, and some of the air also descends. But in the eye wall, some amount of air descends, touching to the, in the eye descend, but touching to the eye wall. Okay. Understood it? Clear? And then what is the speed of the eye wall? I said that. If width it is na 50 to 1. What is the speed? 80, 90, 150, 120, 180, and if it is 210, super cyclone, 230. You know that आपने, what is this? M1 V1 equals to M2 V2. It is in a kind of momentum, जो simple, you know that. But if it is applied on any rotating thing, it is, I said that M2 V2 R2. And cyclone में जो air है उन सबका mass लगभग हम same माने तो it is in a what? V1 into R1 into R2. One wind it is circulating in the much far, and one wind is circulating what is in a near to the eye wall. Whose radius is less from the center? In the eye wall. And those who are little far, when the wind is coming, so I said that suppose its radius is what I said that, its radius is, I said that 20 kilometer, and outer radius is, I said that 200 kilometer, and outer one it is moving with the 40 kilometer per hour. Suppose I said how much? Sorry, I said 20 kilometer per hour. What is the speed? 200 is the what? Radius, outer where the wind is coming. And then cyclone, I have said that it can be 1000 kilometer. So यहाँ से it can be 200, 100, 200, something like this radius. If the radius is 200, and suppose total momentum of this cyclone, if I am talking about, it is in the form of, I said that how much? 4000. So इसको कितना स्पीड होना चाहिए? Velocity should be 20. तो 20 into 200 will become what? And यदि इसकी 20 रेडियस है तो इसकी स्पीड कितनी होगी? तो जिसकी कम रेडियस है उसकी स्पीड क्या होगी? Why? Because of conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of, and therefore those who are having very less speed, वहाँ पे speed keep on increasing. Understood? So हमेशा